Hi guys, welcome back to my bathroom. So my orange side is pretty faded right now. Actually, the black dye kind of transferred on top of it and made this weird kind of like pinky muted color. And I've decided that split dye, at least with semi-permanent black, is just not for me. Just because it's hard to like wash. I wash my hair in the sink and my body in the shower. So that's already a little inconvenient for my lazy self. Since it like transferred, like I said, I have some weird parts that are like orange at the root and black all the way through. And same over here, I have some roots that I didn't touch with the black that turned orange. So I'm not really happy with that, so I'm going to dye this side pink and do a shadow root, so when it grows out it'll have like the black root and I don't really have to worry about sectioning it off that much anymore. And I'm going to touch up this side and get rid of the orange, kind of a little bit greeny roots that I have here too. So for the pink, I'm going to use Arctic Fox's Virgin Pink. And for my black roots, since it is very purple now that it's faded, I'm just going to dilute Transylvania with some white conditioner. I really like pink and purple together, so I'm excited to see how this looks. I've already been fangirling over it a little bit because y'all know that my hair was pink before I did the orange, so it is turning back into pink. And the pink and purple just looks really pretty together, so I want to match that. Should I do like a dark pink? Dark pink and purple, so when it fades, it'll fade together? I think that's a good idea. I'm going to mix some Transylvania in with this pink as well. That'll also help with the blending of the roots. Super excited. I'm mixing in a little bit of Manic Panic Hot Hot Pink, just because they are a little different in tones. Creating my own custom pink right now. You guys see the difference? I did a dark pink to dark blue ombre 2 years ago. I just saw it in my Snapchat memories this morning and I thought it was pretty neat. So that's kind of what inspired me to do a dark pink today. Just put a little bit of black in here. That might have been too much. Oh yeah, that might have been way too much. Oh no. Oh geez, I just messed this all up. Ooh. Ooh, now we have like dark purple. Should I just do all my hair dark purple? Oh, I'm so mad at myself for doing that, bro. Jeez. Why didn't y'all stop me? Oh, that was like the last of my pink dye too. It's fine. You know, maybe we could just use that for the roots and I'll just cry. I'm really sad now. I've never done that before. I don't really get mad at myself anymore. I'm usually at peace, no matter what happens, but now I'm upset. Here are our dyes. Here's the one that I messed up, and it is now going to be our root color. And here's our pink. I added a little bit of Fusion Shock by Manic Panic in there to get it more of a darker pink. Here's them together just so you can see how they look. Now we're just going to put our gloves on and get started. Wish me luck. Alright, I'm going to let this sit for an hour and I'll be right back with the finished result. Here's my hair all complete. I really hope you liked today's video, and if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload. And if you want to know how I got this look, check out the next video. Bye!